Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you saw yesterday's short video, these are the 5 car upgrades everyone kept asking about. I've been testing out some awesome car gadgets from Amazon, and I've got my top 5 picks right here for you. Whether you're looking for a holiday gift or just want to upgrade your ride, you're going to want to see these. First up, we have the fixed Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. This little device is a lifesaver. You just plug it into your car's OBD2 port, connect it to an app on your phone, and boom, it tells you exactly what that check engine light means in plain English. No more getting ripped off at the mechanic for a simple fix. It even sends you maintenance reminders. For peace of mind, this thing is a must-have. Next, let's talk about adding some serious style to your truck with these devil eyes lights. These aren't your average headlights. They give your truck a super aggressive, custom look that really stands out, especially at night. The installation was surprisingly straightforward, and the quality is solid. If you want your truck to look mean and unique, these are the way to go. Tired of your phone sliding all over the place? Check out the Miracase phone holder. This thing clips right onto your air vent and it is rock solid. What I love is how easy it is to pop your phone in and out with just one hand. It grips the phone securely without scratching it, and it fits pretty much any phone size, even with a case on. It's simple, effective, and makes using your GPS so much safer. Moving on to protection, I tried out this Nano Graphene ceramic coating. If you love keeping your car looking brand new, you need this. It creates an ultra-hydrophobic layer that makes water, dirt, and grime just beat up and roll right off. The shine is incredible, like a mirror finish. It takes a bit of effort to apply, but the long-lasting protection against scratches and the elements is totally worth it. Your paint will thank you. And finally, my absolute favorite find of the month, this wireless CarPlay adapter. If your car has wired Apple CarPlay but you hate plugging in your phone every single time, this is a game changer. You plug this little dongle into your USB port, pair your iPhone once, and that's it. From then on, CarPlay connects wirelessly and automatically every time you start your car. It's seamless, fast, and frees you from cables. So there you have it, my top 5 Amazon car finds for December. I will drop links to all of these products in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more cool finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.